Hi there. Today we're going to decide if things are rocks or not rocks. Please participate by putting your thumbs up or down and saying rock or not, no rock. Concrete, is it a rock? Yes or no? No, it's made of rock combined with sand and water. How about dried mud? Is dried mud a rock? Yes or no? No, mud is a mixture of silt, clay, and water. It's dried out. Looks a lot like a bunch of rocks put together, but it is not a rock. Hardened lava. Yes. Lava was originally melted rock that had been cooled, so it is a rock. Asphalt. Asphalt is not rock. It is different types of rocks combined and shaped by man to create this asphalt road. How about a glass? No, like the asphalt, glass is made of rock material and combined with other materials and then shaped by man. Coral, how about this coral? Yes, these beautiful coral stones were once living, but it has become a rock because it's hardened fossil. They've been cut, shaped, polished to become these beautiful shiny stones. How about a piece of a clay pot? No, pots are shaped through a human-made process, and the material it's made from is a human-made combination of things. Limestone. Yes, limestone is made of calcite, and we know that calcite is a mineral. It's a rock. Iron ore. Iron ore, just like calcite, is a mineral, and this mineral is in a rock form. All of these sediments are iron sediments. How about cement? No. Cement, like asphalt, glass, concrete, it's made by man. Coal. Coal is not a mineral. Coal is a rock because it's formed from the hardening of solid organic debris. And remember, that organic portion makes coal not a mineral, but it is a rock. Brick. Bricks are man-made, human-made. They're made up of rocks and other materials. And look at those beautiful, perfect rectangular shapes. Gravestones. Gravestones are made out of rock, and they're shaped by humans, but they are a solid piece of rock. This marble statue of President Lincoln. It is a rock. It's made out of marble, it's naturally occurring, and it's shaped by man. You can see that there are a couple of seams here, but it is made out of rock. How about granite? Yes, granite is most definitely a rock. It's naturally occurring. It's a mixture of different minerals. Right here, you can see some black. This black is probably hornblende. What makes a rock? Geologists define rocks as naturally occurring solid mixture of one or more minerals, and it can also include organic material. So while a mineral only has elements and it has no organic material, a rock can have organic material. Now we're going to be studying rocks for the next little bit of time. If you'd like to go out and collect a rock collection from your garden, or maybe online, or out of some pictures that you have had for family trips or something, we will get into analyzing those rocks later. So it might be nice if you were proactive and got a little collection together. Have fun with that. See you soon.